Welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about the Facebook lookalike audience. In this case, firstly we will give the sample of our audience to the Facebook, and then Facebook will target the audience based on our sample audience. So firstly, let us see what is Facebook lookalike audience and how to create it in the Facebook Ad Manager. Now, what is lookalike audience? With a lookalike audience, you can reach new people who are likely to be interested in your business because they are similar to your existing customers. You choose a source audience and Facebook identifies the common qualities of the people in it. To create it, from Create Audience, select Lookalike Audience. Here first, we have to give the source of our audience. Source is nothing, it is a sample audience. If you have previously created any custom audience, you can use it as a source audience. Type any letter, select other sources. Here is a list of all my audiences that I previously created, whether under the present account or under any other business manager account. Let me select one audience here. If you want to have any audience at this stage or you want to create a new audience, then you can use this option to create a new audience or source. This will be the same process that we have discussed in the previous video to create a custom audience. Let us proceed with our selected audience. Let the location of your audience. You can select the location either from regions or from countries. I am selecting India. This is very important. The audience size. First, how many audience you want to create. You can select the number from here, but let it be one audience only. Next, we have to select the percentage. The percentage signifies the people most similar to your selected custom audience. Audience size ranges from 1% to 10% of the combined population of your selected locations. A 1% lookalike consists of people most similar to your lookalike source. Increasing the percentage create a bigger and broader audience. See here, at 1%, estimated reach is more than 3 million. At 3%, it is 10 million. At 7%, it is 23 million. It simple means, if you increase the percentage, your audience size will increase. But Facebook will not exactly match the audience with your sample audience if the percentage is very high. You can increase the number of audiences also. Click on Create the Audience, but it seems that your sample audience size is too small. Actually, our sample audience size should be at least of minimum of 100 people. In future, keep this thing in mind. Now we have to save the audience and lookalike audience will be created. So with this, we have completed the second module of this week, and in this module, I try to explain various types of audiences and how to create these types of audiences using the Facebook Ad Manager. I would like to reiterate here that the success of Facebook advertising campaigns depends on selection of the right audience. So in the next module, I will meet you with something very interesting.